Step number 8 in crafting a funding strategy is to customize the message of your proposal to the particular funding source. You have to do this in 2 ways. First, you need to identify what is the ideal source of funding for your particular situation, for your idea, for your circumstance, for your team, for what it is that you want to accomplish. Remember that in general, there are 3 funding mechanisms: unfunding, equity, and debt. Unfunding collaborators would seek to believe in your idea and partner with you with non-capital contributions. Think, for example, sponsors and donors and other partners. Suppliers could be your partners. Equity investors would believe in a promise for a higher return and would likely get involved in the business. They want to contribute in terms of strategy and contact, and they want to do something to help you out. So think about them as strategic advisors that are also giving you some capital. Lenders or debt funders would require that your need for capital is repaid in terms of principal and interest. They usually don't have the room to expand and to believe in your idea blindly, because they have some obligations that they need to fulfill. In summary, step number 8 is to customize your message based on the source of funding and the individual that you are seeking funds from or resources from.